Happy holiday everyone. So it's been a while, it's almost 3 days without trading. So let's get right to it and get ready for tomorrow market, because we have 5 stocks is actually moving and we have the technical analysis for them. We start with HUT and we already talked about it in our Discord. As you can look here, we talked about it here at the 23rd of December, and that's what we said, that the price, if hold above the $7.97, HUT will go around the $9.28. Hopefully you saw this one. If you're not joined into my Discord here, Lucrum Investing, you can join in the link below. As we said, the price is continue going up because we have a confirmation above this level of support, which is above the $7.97. Look here, the $7.97 or above the $8 was the support for HUT, and we have a trigger and we confirmed support with 3 or 4 4-hour candle. That's why the price is surging. Before the market close around Friday, we have the price go around the $9.28, or Thursday. I think it was Thursday, because here the price around the $9.28 will be tested by tomorrow. Pre-market, we're gonna see a price testing for this first taken profit target. As we said, there's 2 targets for profit target for HUT. The first one is the $9.28. The second one is the $11.27. Okay, this is, we want to confirm a closing candle here above this exponential average. You can see it here. And we have a confirmation by tomorrow if the market open above the $9.30 and we have 1-hour candle. Boom, the price will go for the next week around the $11.27. And the next one we have Lucid. Yes, Lucid is being gravitating down. You know why? If we go here and do this, you see the trend is going down and we have kind of resistance every time, and the price going lower and doing higher lows. So by tomorrow, we want to confirm one thing only. If we don't overcome this ascending line or descending line, and we close above the 38 this time here, this will continue the bearish momentum for Lucid until the 33 will be a nice price target to buy here. Okay, the 33. Right now, the resistance around the 38. We want to confirm by tomorrow if we have a surge in buying pressure. Closing above the 39 would be perfect in order to do like the reversal, which will be around the 43. Okay, the 43 is the price to be for Lucid, to confirm that we're gonna see the price go to all-time high before the market close for this year. This will be a good turning point and reversal, because we're getting near this important 200 exponential average around the 33. Would be nice to bounce here to load before we're gonna go around the 43. So I'll be having my eye around the resistance 38. Any price close above, I will get in. Any price doesn't go above, I will wait in order to load on the perfect price around the 33. Next up, we have NEO. Yeah, Lucid is kind of still strong compared to NEO, because NEO has been trending down since we have the resistance or the rejection area around this ascending line that we draw like almost 2 months ago. If you subscribe to my channel and you put the notification bell, you always see my notification and price action for NEO. So what we said the last time, we said the price will get rejected. Why? Yes, because we're getting near this ascending line. That's why I always take a profit and have a trigger for warning sign. The warning sign, we didn't close here and we got rejected, and we didn't hold the 38. Okay, the 38 was support like back then around that the 28th of November. Right now, the price is going down again, and we want to confirm one thing by Monday, which is this resistance area around the 3081, because right now we tested and we got rejected before the market closed, before the holidays, and around the 3081. So by Monday we want to close above it in order to go higher. Otherwise, we see this price for NEO will go around the 25. Here will be a perfect loading up area if we don't close above the 30.80. Next up, we have Moderna. Just watch out for perfect hunter opportunity for Moderna, because right now we have a confirmation for 3 bottom, and we bounce from it because we have a kind of ascending line here. Perfect. We bounce from it around the 5th of November and the 10th of December, and before we close in the market before the holiday around the 23rd of December. So what's the game plan? You told me, Jesus, what's the game plan? Yes, the game plan is we want to hold above this ascending line. Will be a good way to confirm that we have a reversal, a big momentum to go again to test this important level after we clear, of course, the first resistance, which is the 285. The second one is the 349. Okay, if we hold this ascending line, we're gonna see a test for those 2 levels, which is you can take a profit at. However, if we don't, and we have a rejection by Monday, okay, around the 260, this will confirm everything, and we're gonna break this level, and the price will go around the 186. Okay, between 185 and the 200. Okay, will be a kind of the best place to average down if we have we didn't hold above this ascending line. Just be careful, because if we got rejected, as I said, around the 260, the price will go here around the 186, the bottom between the 186 and the 195, 200. Okay, this is kind of the cloud of buying pressure where the insider will load up for Moderna. Lastly, we have Tesla. Tesla, perfect. We talked about it. We did even a technical analysis for it for our Patreon and Discord members. We said here, you see, we said the bounce from this ascending line around the 900 would be a trigger for a reversal. And that's what happened here. You see, around this red mark that I did around the 900, we bounced, we went until the 800. I know, you told me like, come on, Jesus, yeah, we went below the 900. Of course, nobody can predict the price by the cent. However, we have a wick, so this is confirmed. We did have a closing candle below the 900. However, we have a wick, so this is kind of still respected our technical analysis, and that's why the price surged. Look how beautiful it is. We did almost 18 or 20%. This is crazy. And as well, we said what we have like a resistant area or breakout if we close 1 hour candle above the 1960. So the 1960 will be the turning point for Tesla for the next week. So if the price overcome this resistance, we're gonna see a reversal and the price go to all-time high. Okay, this is it for Tesla. However, if we get rejected, there is a big potential we're gonna see a test and rejection. The price will go below again. Around this area will be around the 990. We're gonna see hold up or around the 1000. Okay, so this is still strong reaction and still confirming still we are in a bull market, because we still above the important support, which is here, that where we bounce from around the 900. Okay, this will be the last support to confirm we still have a chance to go all-time high. And the best scenario is if we get rejected around the 1900, we have a hold up of this ascending line, which will be around the 960, and then we retest around this area. You see, always have a plan, because if you don't have a plan, you be kind of confused when you get in the market. We always talk about it. We even have a weekly studying for the market around the Patreon. We do like a video. We get back around all the trade that my client or hunters did, and we see the most common mistake they did and trying to learn something from it. That's why always weekly we get back testing and see what's going happen to improve our strategy. This is it in trading. Don't say I know everything. If you say that, you be stagnant, because the market is growing every time. You have to grow with it. There is news, there is things changing, there is a new sector coming up, there is new news coming up. So you have to grow with it, you have to improve, you have to learn every day. That's why we doing in Patreon and Discord. Every time we learn weekly, we get back what we did and try to improve. So join us in the link comment section below and start the year with a new strategy, a new kind of mindset in order to win in the market. So without further ado, see you in the next update.